Like
it's your girl Plus Barb, and I'm back with another video. Put my box down.
there you go.
Why he always trying to open stuff before me? Like I gotta do a whole video on it. He's so annoying. Okay, what's poppin', loves? It's your girl Plus Barb, and I'm back with another video. Ew, booty fingers, no nails. Okay, so today I am doing a open box review, and I'm extremely excited. Extremely excited. So excited. I bought a lip gloss filling machine. I bought a machine, like a machine, a full machine. So if you guys watch my video of the inventory haul that I did, it got a pretty good amount of views. But you guys know I started my lip gloss collection because I'm getting into the beauty and stuff like that. So let me just give y'all an update. My lip gloss collection sold out the first, I'm gonna say 3 hours. My lip gloss collection sold out the first 3 hours, guys. I am so thankful. Like, I cannot thank y'all enough. Like, it sold out so fast. I didn't even get to promote on Instagram. Like, when I promote stuff, I go straight to Facebook because that's where I have the most clientele at. I didn't even get to post anything on Instagram before it sold out. Like, you know, I just feel like sometimes I'll be discrediting myself and my supporters because, baby, y'all be showing love. Like, and I just be wanting to thank each and every one of y'all, but it be so many. So I just want to take this time to say thank you guys so much for all the support. Even if you didn't buy nothing and you just shared something of mine, like, thank y'all so much. I can't thank y'all enough. If it wasn't for y'all, there wouldn't be a me. Well, there would be a me, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. So thank you guys, and I love you guys for that. And I'm so excited to get some more lip glosses rolling. What's crazy is when I had that inventory haul, I bought backup stuff just in case I sold out of the main stuff. I sold out of the main stuff and the backup stuff. Like sis, it's just really a blessing. So I just want to say thank you again. Like, Lord. But anyways, yeah, so I sold out of everything, so I'm still waiting on my shipment. TKB trading is literally taking forever, and I'm trying to get some more colors out. I'm trying to keep this shit going, and they just take it forever. But I did purchase my lip gloss machine, so that's what I'm doing the open box review on today. And I'm probably gonna do another inventory U-Haul because I have a lot of more stuff coming, because I'm also going to be selling a face glow oil. Oh, and don't forget to go shop these lashes, period. So I'm gonna be dropping a few more things on my beauty collection. The skin glow oil, oh, I cannot wait to show y'all. I cannot wait to drop it. It's freaking amazing. I just have a lot of stuff coming in store, so just make sure y'all go subscribe and go ahead and press that bell so y'all not missing nothing from me, because it's a lot in store. So we're just about to go ahead and get straight into this unboxing video. Let's get into it. I don't know why everybody want to open this package before I open it. Oh, but I gotta be the one to do it because it wouldn't be right. And I had to sit down on this chair because y'all know I'm 6'2", so I would have been looking like Wizard Kelly in this bitch. Okay, so this is the box. Shut up at my door. I'm gonna tell y'all the information on where I got this at the end of the video, so make sure y'all watch this whole video till the end so you can get where I got this at and how much I cost, because it wasn't that much. I'm gonna give y'all the deets though. I don't know where to start on this box. Jesus. I like this machine because it's not, oh, never mind. I was about to cap to y'all. Y'all know I don't do that capping. If y'all ain't watched the last video, then you know now. This joint is wrapped good. They said we don't want no refunds. We don't want to hear nothing. This little bottom thing is the heaviest part. So I was watching everybody else's videos on these, and theirs look like it already came put together. Or maybe that they put it together but just cut it out the video. I don't know. But we gonna give it to you real raw and uncut. Alright now. They doing too much. Okay, first of all, I was finna get mad because this shit was in Chinese. They got one page on here that's in English. Everything else is in Chinese. I was about to say. So it came with these little screws. So I'm probably about to try to figure this out. And then it came with this. So this is how it all came, you guys. This is the filling machine. Bro, that stuff echo. And then we have this part. So I am about to try to set this up and get help from my hubs. So I will be back, so I won't just keep you guys on here all day. So we're gonna try to figure this thing out. So I'll be back. Okay, so I meant to tell you guys, so whenever I the first day that I had launched the lip gloss, it was my first time making lip gloss. I was like trying to get my formula together, what oils I was gonna use, what oils I was gonna use, how much, blah blah blah. But I did not realize how much work come into syringes in the lip gloss. Like, I did not realize how much work you have to do to put the lip gloss in a syringe. It was so freaking horrible. It was messy. It took forever, especially since it was my first time. It took forever and it was just horrible. So when I seen this, literally after I did that, I seen this machine and I was like, oh yeah, gotta invest in this because I don't have to buy syringes or none of that no more. Like, this is such a blessing. But I'm about to show y'all how to put this together because I was looking at the manual, I was lost. So I'm about to show y'all. So when you first open it out the box, right? So when you get it, you open it, whatever, boom. I started to look at this manual and then I was looking at that baggie and I was looking at this and I was looking like, this is about to be hard. Like, I don't understand this manual. Like, I don't understand what to do. This is about to be hard putting this together. But there is no manual because you don't have to do nothing. So I'm about to show y'all so y'all will know when y'all order y'all's. Get into it. Okay, so just throw this to the side. Throw the manual to the side because you don't need it. Okay, so the machine looks like this, right? Throw the manual to the side, you don't need it. These, you don't need it. Throw that out to the side. So you're gonna take this, and I'm like, what do I put here? Is there supposed to be screws? Am I supposed to do anything? No, No, sis, stop stressing. You don't do nothing. You put it on, push down, and turn it to lock it. You keep turning it till it locks. Okay, it's locked, right? Okay, next step, that's secure. Everything is good in the hood. You're gonna take this, and I'm looking around like, where do I put this? There's nothing on the side. There's nothing nowhere, nothing. Right here. It's on this little round thing. So you're gonna put it in here. Thought I need screws for this too. No. You literally just screw it on. Everything is just being screwed on. You don't have to do anything. They definitely, you know, this whole machine is just for the win. Okay, guess what? Now we're ready to use it. That easy. Am I dumb or am I dumb? Are you dumb or stupid? Huh? Okay. I got some water. Poured it. Who you know make machines that easy to fill? Who you know? Y'all see how fast that water is coming out? Try to do it this way. Now we need some. No, we need some WD-40 or something for that sound. You hear that? Dry. To show y'all again. I don't know if y'all can see the water. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna use my cup. Look how fast this water come out. Now that I've showed you guys how to work this bad boy, I am going to put all the details in the description. But before I do that, let me tell y'all something. I originally ordered this off of AliExpress, but today when I try to go look at it and go back to the website and find it, and go back to my order and then go to the website, it's gone. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna show y'all, because there'd be a lot of capping on the internet. There'd be a lot of capping on this YouTube. So I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, so hold on. So I'm on AliExpress, right? I don't know if y'all can see it. So I went to my email and I went to the order confirmation receipt pretty much on my email. So whenever I go try to click on the product, look. Oh shoot, I'm about to drop the link. Let me say this right now, because it was not working earlier. It was like the product was like freaking gone. Oh yeah, I got y'all. So what I paid, is my camera dirty? No. Okay, so what I paid for this was $99.99, but the shipping is what get y'all. The shipping by itself was like $100. So in total I paid like $200. Oh, and another fun fact and another good thing, I ordered this machine last week. No cap, I ordered this machine last week and the machine got here today. But when I first ordered this machine, it said it wasn't going to be here till June 28th. So when I seen that thing say deliver, baby, it was over with. So that was a good thing. That was a really, really, really good thing. I love the fact that it came super fast because I've been so anxious to use this. So that was a good thing. So I'm gonna drop the link in the description to where I purchased this.
What?
To where I purchased this at. And it says buy now, so they still have some. Everywhere else been sold out. So if you go into Google and type it in, that stuff be sold out, or they be like $400 because they've been raising the price because everybody been trying to buy these. So yeah, I got y'all. Y'all know I got y'all every time. Go subscribe. I'm giving you the deets, so why not subscribe? Because you already here and it's free. Bars.
What career? But I'm not a rapper. What career?
Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all go down there, give me a subscribe. Okay, I'm just off today. Before y'all head out on this video, make sure y'all go down there, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that post notification bell so you won't miss out on any more I quit YouTube. I'm giving y'all the tea, and I'm giving y'all the very detailed teas because I ain't seen a video like this. And I showed y'all how to put it together. Like, what else y'all want from me? All I want from y'all is to subscribe and to hit the bell and fought with me because I fought with y'all. To head out, hopefully this video helped you guys, and hopefully you guys go purchase one because this is a really good investment. You know what? They need to sponsor me, period. But this is a really good investment, $200, but you're going to save so much money and time. Like, you're going to be just, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's gonna save so much time, like especially the big business owners, like who like get sales every day. Definitely need one of these. You don't have to buy pipettes, you don't have to buy syringes. Like, you're going, it's a win-win, sis. Just go cop one, period. And I'm gonna head out on this video. Love you guys. Peace. P.S. Look how dirty that is on the inside. Definitely gotta clean, sis. Ew. Yeah, I'm just trying to give y'all a little quick video of the machine. Get into it. Get into it. Let me get up here for y'all. Oh, I forgot my little pen. Oh, it's right there. This is the inside. And it's not that heavy. Like, you guys can, you know, fuck with it.